We are all known somebody who seems a little bit peculiar, be it in what they are fascinated by, how they act, or how they choose to present themselves. But some people are just so strange that it can be hard to believe that they are real. But hey, we are not judging. Boring is normal anyway. This list might as be titled Facts About the World's Interesting People. With 7.53 billion people on Earth, there's bound to be a lot of fascinating oddballs out there, and we are here to tip our caps to them for their individuality and creativity. Number 1. In 1973, a man named Sadhu Amar Bharati raised his right hand in the air for the peace and never put it down. Before 1970, he was a normal middle-class man. Then one morning he woke up and decided to leave it all behind to serve the Hindu god Shiva. 3 years later, believing that he was still too connected to the pleasures of mortal life, he decided to raise his right arm and keep it raised forever. Until now, it's still up in the air. Number 2. The world's tallest living man is Sultan Kozan from Turkey, measuring in 8 feet 3 inches. That's still not quite as tall as Robert Wadlow, who measured just under 9 feet before his death in 1940. Wadlow consumed an average of 8,000 calories a day, had 32.4 centimeter hands and an almost 10-foot arm span. Number 3. Alice Lanky is a hypnotist from Surrey, England. Lanky's mesmerizing powers are so strong that in 2008 he underwent an invasive hernia surgery without the use of anesthesia, opting to put himself into trance instead. Lanky has hypnotized himself for surgical procedures at a total of 6 times. Number 4. Actress Jalissa Thompson's eyes literally pop right out of her head. She attributes her unusual ability to amazing muscle control and is a 2-time winner of Ripley's Great Face Off contest, where people compete to see who can make the weirdest, funniest faces. Number 5. Hailed in Russia as the girl with X-ray eyes, Natasha Demkina claims to have X-ray-like vision that allows her to see inside human bodies. Her diagnoses have often been more accurate than doctors, and she had developed a following of doctors, patients, journalists, and others who believe her powers are real. Number 6. Wim Hof is Dutch daredevil, nicknamed Iceman for his ability to withstand freezing temperatures. He once submerged himself in an ice bath for nearly 2 hours. He attributes his abilities to meditation, exposure to cold and breathing techniques. Number 7. Kajol Khan, a young Indian girl, calls deadly cobra snakes her best friends. She eats and sleeps with her scary companions, despite having been beaten by them a couple of times. Her affinity for the creatures stems from crawling around with them as a baby, and she hopes to be a snake catcher like her dad when she grows up. Number 8. 83-year-old Iranian man Mao Haji has not bathed in more than 60 years because he believes that being clean will make him sick. His favorite food is rotten porcupine, and he likes to relax by smoking a pipe filled with animal feces. He sleeps either in a grave-like hole in the ground or an open brick shack, and drinks 5 liters of water a day from a rusty oil can. He is also single and reportedly looking for love, but has not had any takers.